Welcome to Revit Family Creation for MEP. At IMAGINiT Technologies, we offer live online courses that introduce each trainee to the essentials needed to help launch them into the world of Revit modeling. With the completion of this course, clients will have obtained the knowledge and tools and methods and processes needed to confidently use the software in a typical workday. The objective of the Autodesk Revit Family Creation for MEP course is to guide each user to enable them to work with the software to expand their knowledge in creating custom systems and component families. IMAGINIT's Revit Family Creation for MEP course is designed to guide each student, enabling them to work within the software and expand their knowledge in creating and customizing within the Revit environment. Completion of this one-day course will enable each student to create custom system families, set up a component family file with a parametric framework, create family geometry, create different family types, modify the visibility of different components, and incorporate additional family items such as controls, MEP connectors, and nested components, and create specific family types including profiles, annotations, and parameters. IMAGINIT's live online courses are interactive with an in-person instructor who walks students through the different topics discussed throughout the class to help each student familiarize themselves with the routine tools that they will require in their daily workflow. Each attendee will access Autodesk Revit through our unique lab and work through practical exercises developed to assist each trainee in gaining a thorough understanding of the software. Topics and exercises have been developed through our team at Ascent to help students create custom MEP system families, create custom component families in an MEP design, create additional tools for MEP families, create additional family types. In addition, throughout this course, each student will discover how to create custom duct system families, create custom pipe system families, create component MEP families, create the parametric framework for a family, create three-dimensional family elements, create family types to use within a project, add additional tools for families, control visibility display settings, create two-dimensional family types, create line-based families, and create families with shared parameters. Our experienced and well-knowledgeable instructors take 3D modelers through how Revit functions, best sparking ideas for implementation and design, while giving employees the confidence to transition into a software in order to fulfill their daily work needs, alleviating the fear that comes with transitioning into new software and new methods, assisting designers in tackling daily obstacles and helping them move through work problems and issues more efficiently and quicker. Upon completion of this course, technicians, designers, and managers alike each will gain the confidence to create a new project or open an existing model and navigate seamlessly while easily moving through the various views in order to design, set up, and manage a project with much more ease, cutting down the time that companies spend on tackling the burdensome task of onboarding new employees and understanding how new software can and will be implemented in their daily workflow. IMAGINIT's Revit Family Creation for MEP course equips students with the capabilities that they will need to move forward in today's technologically changing environment, familiarizing themselves with the latest and greatest in three-dimensional building information modeling software.